Assalamualaikum. Hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nuraini. I go to Al-Ghazali Islamic Senior High School. How to make a flower brooch. Materials and tools: satin ribbon, beads, brooch pin, flanel, scissors, thread and needle, glue gun, and candle. Step: first, prepare ribbons of different sizes such as 16 cm, 5 and 7 cm too. Cut the smaller end of the ribbon into a triangle shape. Trim the ends of the ribbon by burning with wax. Then, the longer ribbon is folded into quarters forming petals. Then, sewn at the ends of the ribbon. The smaller ribbons are attached to the second and third petals of the fourth and fifth petals are the same as the first. After that, pull the thread and tie it so that all the petals come together to form a circle. When it is tight enough, add a bead to the center of the ribbon. To the bottom of the brooch, attach the flanel and brooch pin using glue gun. And the last step, the flower brooch is ready to use. That's all from me. Hope it's useful. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.